Dear students, so now I am going to discuss the formula. So integral of f of x whole to the power of n f dash of x dx. This is equal to f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant, where n is not equal to minus 1. Okay. So in order to prove this result, I suppose f of x is equal to t. Let us suppose. So f of x is equal to t. Now, so differentiating with respect to x, so what will get? Dt by dx is equal to f dash of x. So dt is equal to, so f dash of x into dx. F of x is equal to t. So differentiating with respect to dt by dx is equal to f dash of x. Dt is equal to f dash of x into dx. Now, so integral of, so f of x whole to the power of n into f dash of x dx is equal to, so integral of f of x is t, that is t to the power of n. So f dash of x dx is dt. Okay. So now it is of the form integral of, so x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant. Here n is not equal to minus 1. Okay. So what is the formula? Integral of x to the power of n dx is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant. So this is equal to integral of t to the power of n dt is, so t to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant. Now I suppose t is equal to f of x. Okay. So t is equal to f of x, that's equal to f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant. Here n is not equal to minus 1. So therefore, so integral of, so therefore integral of, so f of x whole to the power of n f dash of x dx, this is equal to, so f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant, where here n is not equal to minus 1. Now suppose, so n is equal to minus 1 by 2, put n is equal to minus 1 by 2 here. Okay. So what will get? Integral of f of x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 into f dash of x dx, this is equal to, so f of x to the power of, so minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 divided by, so minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus constant. So this is equal to integral of, so f dash of x by, so this is f of x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 can be written as, so f of x to the power of 1 by 2 dx, this is equal to f of x to the power of 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So f of x to the power of 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus constant. So this is equal to, So integral of f dash of x by, so f of x whole to the power of 1 by 2, that is root of f of x. So f of x to the power of 1 by 2 can be written as root f of x into dx. This is equal to 1 by 1 by 2, that is 2 goes on numerator equation. 2 into f of x whole to the power of 1 by 2, that is root of f of x plus constant. So what is the other formula? Integral of f dash of x dx by root f of x, integral of f dash of x by root f of x dx, that's equal to 2 into root f of x plus constant. Now using the formula, so integral of f of x whole to the power of n f dash of x dx, that is f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant. I am going to solve some problems. Okay, so first one, integral of log x whole square by x by x into dx. So where here x is belongs to 0, infinity, open interval. Solution. Let, so f of x is equal to log x. So f dash of x is equal to d by dx of log x is 1 by x. F of x is equal to log x bc. F dash of x is 1 by x. So this is equal to integral of log x whole square by x dx. This is equal to integral of log x into log x whole square into 1 by x dx. Okay. So what is f of x here? Log x. So this is the form integral of f of x whole to the power of n into f dash of x dx. F of x is log x. F dash of x is 1 by x. So this is of the form log f of x whole to the power of n into f dash of x dx. That is f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. That means log x whole to the power of n plus 1. That is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 by 3 plus constant. Okay. So which form is used here? Integral of f of x whole to the power of n f dash of x dx. That's equal to f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now I am going to solve the another problem using this formula. So integral of secant square x by, so 1 plus tan x whole to the power of 1 plus tan x whole cube into dx, where x is belongs to r minus set of n pi minus pi by 4 such that n is belongs to z. Right. So what is given? Integral of secant square x by, so 1 plus tan x whole cube into dx. So this can be written as 1 by 1 plus tan x whole cube can be written as, so 1 plus tan x whole to the power of minus 3 into secant square x dx. Now suppose, so f of x is equal to, so 1 plus tan x f dash of x is equal to, so d by dx of 1 is 0, d by dx of tan x is secant square x. Okay, so now this is of the form integral of f of x whole to the power of n, n is minus 3. So this is of the form f of x whole to the power of n into, this is f dash of x dx. So what is the formula of, so integral of f of x whole power of n, f dash of x dx. Just now we proved. What is that one? So f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant. So okay. So this is the form integral of f of x whole to the power of n f dash of x dx. That is f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. What is f of x? 1 plus tan x. So 1 plus tan x whole to the power of minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus constant. Okay. So that is equal to minus 1 by 2. This can be written as, so 1 plus tan x whole square plus constant. Okay. Next, another problem, that is integral of, so cosecant square x, we have to evaluate integral of cosecant square x by, so a plus b cot x whole to the power of 5 dx, where here, so a plus b cot x is not equal to 0. Okay. So what is given? What you have to find? So we have to evaluate integral of cosecant square x by a plus b cot x whole to the power of 5 dx. So this is equal to integral of cosecant square x by a plus b cot x whole to the power of 5 dx. So this is equal to integral of, I take this one into numerator. So a plus b cot x whole to the power of minus 5 into, so cosecant square x dx. Okay. Now suppose f of x is equal to, so a plus b cot, a plus b cot x. So differentiating, f dash of x is equal to d by dx of a, that is constant, d by dx of constant is 0, plus c into d by dx of cot x. D by dx of cot x is minus cosecant square x, that's equal to, so minus b into cosecant square x. Okay. So now this is equal to, so what we can write now? So minus 1 by b into integral of, so a plus b cot x whole to the power of minus 5 into minus b cosecant square x dx. Just to observe here, in this minus 1 b, this b gets cancelled, minus into minus is plus 1. So we get a plus b cot x whole to the power of minus 5 cosecant square x dx. Okay. Now, what you can observe this one. So if it is a plus b cot x is f of x, this is f dash of x. So this is of the form integral of f of x whole to the power of n f dash of x dx. Integral of f of x whole to the power of n f dash of x dx is f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is minus 1 by b into, so a plus b cot x whole to the power of minus 5 plus 1, that is minus 4 by minus 4 plus constant. Okay, this minus minus gets cancelled. So this is equal to 1 by 4 into b. So I take this one a plus b cot x whole to the power of minus 4 into denominator. So that's equal to a plus b cot x whole to the power of 4 plus constant. What is the final answer? That is 1 by 4 into b a plus b cot x whole to the power of 4 plus constant. Okay. So in next class, I am going to solve some more problems. Okay, thank you.